iOS 27 Beta 3 is now available, and many users are already looking ahead to what Apple could bring in iOS 27 Beta 4. While we probably shouldn't expect any major new features, Beta 4 will likely focus on refining the overall experience with bug fixes, performance improvements, and better system stability. So far, iOS 27 has been surprisingly stable for a beta release. Apple still has plenty of work to do before the public launch, but the software already feels smooth and reliable on supported devices. That's a great sign for the upcoming beta updates. Apple has also been following a fairly consistent beta schedule, with new builds arriving roughly every couple of weeks. If that pattern continues, iOS 27 Beta 4 should arrive within the next few weeks. These frequent updates allow Apple to quickly fix issues, improve battery life, optimize performance, and polish new features before the final release. Rather than introducing huge changes, Beta 4 is expected to continue improving the existing experience. Small refinements may not seem exciting, but they're important for making the software faster, more reliable, and ready for everyday use. Overall, my experience with iOS 27 has been very positive. The beta already feels much more polished than many previous early beta versions, and I'm excited to see how Apple continues to improve it over the coming weeks before the official release. What do you think Apple should add or fix in iOS 27 Beta 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Apple news and iOS updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.